Hi guys, it's Toyo here and you're welcome back to my channel. So I think I'm liking the reviews and the comments I'm getting from posting lifestyle vlogs on here, my life in Malta and just general activities, and so I'll do my best to post more of that. But I'm also going to be posting other videos about school, about the digital nomad visas. I have one coming up soon about the renewal because we just got approved for a second year, so I'm going to give you details about all that. But in the meantime, enjoy this vlog and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and also leave a comment in the comment section. So right here we are actually going shopping for groceries for the month, so come with us. So we usually do our shopping from two places, Lidl and Pavi, and that's just because they're in the same area, so we don't have to go too far to get all the things that we want. Oh yeah, one of the other reasons why we shop at Pavi is because when we buy things we get water, or we have the option to either add points or get some free water, and we usually opt for that because why not? If you're in Malta, please leave in the comment section where you do your shopping. Let's know.
I just met one lovely lady. The two of us were holding our cameras. So I went to meet her. She's from South Africa and I collected her Instagram share. She said she doesn't post, she just records when she goes out. So I took her Instagram. I'm going to ginger her because now I'm in the business of inspiring people to open YouTube channels and actually post their content. And you're right. Last thing.
Yeah, closer to the last because you need to.
Did you write shower gel here? You did it.
I didn't, yeah, I forgot to.
Oh. It doesn't have a smell. I always like the ones that have smell. I'm trying to stick to this list. Honey.
With lemon and herb.
I thought I had honey.
Lemon and herb.
Garlic. I hate shopping so much. I don't like grocery shopping. It stresses me out. Like once I'd rather order things. I know it seems like laziness, but I would honestly rather order these things to my house. Market man, on the other hand, enjoys shopping.
Other things, you're not bringing things.
Yes, it's true. When you order things, they don't bring the exact things you want. And I mean, you're able to monitor and pick up stuff yourself. But I'm over it. So we got this Nando's sauce, puri. We got milk. This is evaporated milk. We get semi-skimmed biscuits, trash bags, gloves, disposable plates. And this is ginger and garlic mix. Beef, apple peanut butter, sugar free everything, sha. This is digestive, but it's also sugar free. We also have foil paper. You won't believe that the first foil paper that we bought was this time last year, and it's still here. Like it's almost finished, and it was 150 meters. We bought it from, I think, Lidl, yeah, and it was so cheap that time. Oh. We got butter, veggie things, so salad things actually. This is iceberg lettuce and carrots. Another pack of yogurt. Okay. Finally, I bought peppers. It's always so hard to find this kind of peppers in this place, and I use it to cook a lot. Mushrooms, chicken for salad, tomatoes, fish, and chicken wings. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. I'm tired of working from the house. I'm going to find a cafe or somewhere where I'll see people. I've not gone out of this house in maybe over a week. The place I want to go to is the Point because I want to check a store there and then probably just sit down in one of the cafes or restaurants, and then I'll come back home in the evening. Today is so windy. Jeez. So guys, something weird, something annoying actually just happened. So the reason why I even came to the Point is because I wanted to go to stop at a mall called Terra Nova. That's where I usually buy like a few clothes. They do have some kind of things and they had nice discounts in December, and from time to time they have good discounts anyways. So I just went there. I said that I want to check because in December I bought quite a number of things from them, like my loungewear, my house clothes. So I bought some things from them now, and I got a lot of points on my Terra Nova card. So I was thinking that because the money was actually a lot, enough to buy me the discount or the points they gave me in my card, it's actually enough to buy me maybe 2 pieces of clothes, or I don't know, to buy me something nice. So I was like, okay, even if I have to add money, maybe it'll be like €5 or something. So let me go there and check what they are, what they have there. And before I even started checking the store, I went to the counter and I asked the lady, I gave the lady my card, and I'm like, please can you even check first of all if there's any money in this card? And apparently, and I had almost like maybe €40 inside. Anyways, I asked her if I had any money in the card, and she said no, I don't have any money. Everything cleared on 31st of December. And the thing that's even paining me is that I asked the lady there in December if I could come and use it to buy stuff. She said yes, but that I can't use it to buy things that are on sale. And throughout December they were literally on sale. So in my head I'm like, when was I supposed to spend this money in the card if throughout December you guys were on sale? Anyways, I left there a little bit heartbroken. But anyways, right now I'm still in the Point. I'm sitting down in this open space restaurant cafe, and I'm trying to do some work before I head back home.
Anyway guys, after some time I moved to a quieter area because I had a meeting, and I did the rest of the work I had to do for the day, and then I headed back home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.